Hey there, fellow side hustlers. Today, I'm diving into an exciting topic that can change your financial game. We're talking about the top 10 passive income streams you can unlock right now. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. Passive income stream number 1. Investing in dividend stocks means you're earning money just for holding shares of a company. Companies pay dividends to their shareholders regularly, providing a steady income stream. Plus, you're also benefiting from potential stock price appreciation. Next up, number 2. Owning rental properties can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Whether it's a single-family home, an apartment, or even a vacation rental, you can earn monthly rental income. Just make sure you have reliable tenants and a good property management system in place. Number 3. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's like being the bank, but with potentially higher returns. Of course, there are risks involved, so do your research first. Coming in at number 4. Yes, blogging can be a lucrative source of passive income. Once you've built up traffic, you can monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products. The key is to consistently provide valuable content that keeps readers coming back. Number 5. Speaking of content creation, starting a YouTube channel can be a game changer. Once you hit the magic 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your videos with ads. Plus, there are sponsorships and merchandise opportunities as your channel grows. Alright, number 6. If you have expertise or a story to share, writing an ebook can provide a steady stream of royalties. Publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle and watch the passive income roll in. The best part? Your book keeps earning long after you've written it. Number 7. Share your knowledge by creating online courses on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Once your course is live, students can enroll and learn at their own pace, providing you with a continuous income stream. It's a great way to share your skills while earning money. Number 8. Promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link can be a solid passive income source. Focus on products you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. 9. Create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them on platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. Once you upload your designs, the platform handles the printing and shipping, leaving you with a passive income stream. And finally, number 10. This is similar to buying rental properties, but without the hassle of managing them. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects and earn dividends. It's a way to dip your toes into real estate investing with less upfront capital. There you have it, folks. 10 powerful passive income streams you can start unlocking today. Remember, the key to success is getting started and staying consistent. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your financial freedom. Until next time, happy hustling.